Gentle giving birth to my baby. Oh my god. So we got this prank call last night. We think it was you. So calm down, man. We know it was you. We texted your friend and she said, yeah, it was you. So we know you prank called us last night, but it didn't sound like you. That's the thing. But you were there. It's probably your friend. Look, you can't see me winking, or can you? It was spit on you. You are constipated. Okay, we're good. But yeah, so you better do your bio homework project thing, or else we're gonna fail. It's gonna be all your fault. Cool. My little brother and her little brother are banging at our doors. What? Mom said to shut up. Look at Amanda. Oh, that's attractive. Look at my tongue, it looks like... Oh my god, we have 10 seconds